What's the meaning of aldershot? Aldershot. 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 Aldershot.
Aldershot is a town in the county of Hampshire, England. The name Aldershot is derived from the Old English words ald meaning old and seat meaning a piece of land. Aldershot was originally an agricultural village that grew rapidly in the mid-19th century when it became a major base for the British Army. Today, Aldershot remains an important military town and is home to several army barracks and training facilities. It also has a diverse population and offers a range of cultural and recreational activities for visitors and residents alike.